In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round corners on clustered bar chart in Power BI. If you're looking to give your dashboard a softer, more modern look, rounding the corners of your visual can make a surprising difference. We'll keep this quick and clear so you can apply it right away. Start by opening Power BI Desktop on your computer and loading the report where your clustered bar chart lives. If you're working on something important, it's a good practice to save your report first so you can easily revert if you change your mind about the styling. Next, click directly on your clustered bar chart in the report canvas to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the visual outlined with selection handles. This is important because the formatting options on the right panel always apply to whichever visual is currently selected. With the visual selected, look to the right side of the screen for the visualizations pane and switch to the Format Visual tab. This is the section that controls how the visual looks rather than what data it shows. If you don't immediately see what you're after, use the search box at the top of the formatting panel and type the word corner. The search will filter the formatting options so you can get to the setting faster. Under the visual border section, find rounded corners and turn it on. This setting controls the curvature of the corners for the visual container, the outer shape of the chart, not the bars themselves. Once the rounded corners are enabled, adjust the roundness value to dial in the look you want. You can use the slider or type a number and you'll see the chart update live on the canvas. A small radius gives a subtle, refined effect, while a larger value creates a more pronounced pill-shaped frame. Aim for consistency with other visuals on your page so the layout feels intentional. If it looks too soft or doesn't fit your theme, simply lower the value or toggle it off to return to square corners. Keep in mind that different themes and background colors may make the effect appear more or less noticeable, so preview the page at the size your audience will see it. That's all there is to it. You've rounded the corners of your clustered bar chart and given your report a cleaner, more polished finish. When you're happy with the result, continue refining your layout or save your report so the changes are preserved. Thanks for watching and enjoy building beautiful visuals in Power BI.